Microsoft Power Platform helps businesses in their digital transformation by automating processes with Power Automate, unlocking business intelligence with Power BI, building applications with Power Apps, and enabling AI-led chatbots with Power Virtual Agents. Power Automate is the automation pillar of this robust platform and offers end-to-end intelligent automation so that anyone can automate with ease. It offers native integration across Azure, Microsoft 365, Dynamics 365, and Power Platform so that your organization can be more productive. This low-code automation platform equips end users and professional developers alike. We are excited to announce the general availability of the new robotic process automation capabilities in Power Automate, called UI Flows. Now with RPA and Power Automate, Microsoft offers a single solution that brings together robotic and digital process automation, along with robust AI to help orchestrate your business processes.
Our customers want simpler ways to automate manual processes across modern and legacy applications that are running on-premises or in the cloud. RPA and Power Automate does just that. We've designed UI flows to support simple and complex scenarios for developers and non-developers alike. Record manual tasks such as mouse clicks, keyboard use, and data entry, and then automate the replay of those actions to integrate with more complex process flows. Train bots to accurately handle repetitive manual tasks so your workforce can get more done and focus on strategic, high-value contributions. Create automated workflows with step-by-step guidance and an intuitive no-code interface anyone can use, regardless of their technical expertise. Organizations can easily bring API and UI-based automation together in both attended and unattended scenarios. This means an entire process can be fully automated, start to finish. So let's check out how this works. Say you're a large organization and you need to streamline data entry into your legacy application. First, install UI flows, which you can do by simply visiting the page and downloading the app installer. Then, create a UI flow by recording and capturing your actions as you would normally use your application. You can then test your UI flow. Once you've tested the UI flow, it can run in unattended mode on a machine without anyone being logged in. What this means is that a flow can execute an entire process without you lifting a finger by opening a session on the machine, executing the flow, and closing it out when complete. Now that you've captured and recorded actions with UI flows, you can monitor the actions, which appear automatically in a central control center. As you can see, it's a snap to build your own automation with RPA and Power Automate. Using UI flows, the guided and intuitive process works for you, so you can do more with less. It's automation for all. Try it out at powerautomate.com.